Hi, everybody. This is Roxanne Steed, and I just wanted to share a picture in my sketchbook here. Um, I'm using the Strathmore Visual Journal. It's the mixed media paper. It's all cotton. And again, it's not as heavy as Arches paper, but for sketchbook paper, it's pretty decent. You get a lot of bang for your buck. So it's fun to try out some new things. So in my class today, I was teaching how to use photos when you're stuck inside and you can't, really get outside to the places that you might want to get normally. And, you can see photos tell a lot of lies. A lot of times when people paint from photos, they make a lot of these areas that are in shadow look like black holes because they look really super dark. But if you spend a lot of time painting outdoors, you'll know that there's actually a lot of color within your shadows. So that's what I try to bring into a lot of my paintings. And when you paint outdoors a lot, you're able to use photos as a reference much easier. So one of the things that I wanted to point out was painting in big shapes rather than flower, tulip, 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 tulip. There's this big color band shape of this massive color that's going across your page rather than a bunch of little things. So if you think of them as one big mass, it's going to read like a big band of tulips rather than dot, 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 dot of color. And the same thing with shadow. The shadows kind of tie your composition together. And in some of the areas, I like to exaggerate some of the shadows just to tie it together as a composition in a little, more interesting way. Um, so just a couple of pointers here to bring out. So I hope you're having a decent day and finding some ways to stay amused and engaged and trying out some new painterly things. Um, Again, I'm set up indoors in my studio here. I just finished teaching a class on Zoom and thought I'd share this with you really quick. Have a great day. Bye.